Dear students, uh, today we are going to discuss about bioinformatics first as per the AKTU syllabus. The subject code is KBT503. तो इस लेक्चर में हम लोग बात करेंगे इस सिलेबस की और लेक्चर प्लान की हाउ वी विल प्रोसीड फॉर दिस कंप्लीट सिलेबस ऑफ बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स 1. So myself Dr. Prashant Saxena. This is my mail ID where you can post your queries if you have any query. This is the YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe our channel. And today we will discuss about the syllabus and lecture plan. So this is KBT503. This is the subject code and it is a bioinformatics plan for the 5th semester students, art semester. What is the prerequisite? It's elementary knowledge of molecular biology, mathematics and computer. And the objective of the subject is to teach the basic concept of bioinformatics, databases and sequence analysis. We will go in very depth of each of the topic, develop understanding of sequence analysis, how we can analyze the sequence and what is the importance of sequence analysis, to provide knowledge of a scoring matrix, how the scoring matrix play important function in the sequence analysis part, and detection of functional sites, to impart knowledge related to phylogenetic analysis and protein structure prediction. Each thing we will see one by one as per the syllabus as we will move further in the lectures. The course outcome of there is a first unit, this is CO1 and there is a 5 COs as per the units. So understand concept and application of bioinformatics, type of databases, use sequence alignment techniques, matrices, phylogenetics and applications. So you can discuss, see here, this is your first unit. In this unit we will talk about biological databases. There is a 3 types of databases: nucleotide, protein and specialized databases, and there is a data submissions and various file format and some basic concept of sequence similarity like what is homologs, orthologs, paralogs and sequence pattern profiles. These are the small 2 marks questions. You can find easily find these questions in 2 mark questions. So we will discuss about this in the detail. Second, we will talk about the sequence analysis, sequence alignment, what is the requirement of alignment, how you can search a database. So there is a different methods, optimal alignment methods, statistical significance. So everything we will go in detail about each and every topic. And third one is a scoring matrix. Here is a PAM and Blossom matrix are there. Okay, and nucleic and protein sequence principles based on which these metrics has been derived, gap penalty, everything we will discuss about, like what is database search and what is code unbiased detection, everything we will discuss in this unit. Fourth unit is your phylogenetics, how the phylogeny can play important role in the understand the biological sequences. So that we will discuss about various methods like UPGMF, H-Morgolish. There is some different methods. If time permits, we will go in depth of that methods also, and we will go for numerical methods in this unit. And here we will go for the numericals. These are the numericals unit. अगर आप AKTU के पुराने पेपर्स देखेंगे तो आपको पता लगेगा कि इसमें से करीब करीब कुछ नहीं तो 10 से 15 नंबर के न्यूमेरिकल्स आ जाते हैं, और सेम यहीं से भी अगर न्यूमेरिकल आता है तो डायरेक्ट न्यूमेरिकल्स आते हैं. आपको मैं बताऊंगा हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व दोज न्यूमेरिकल्स. एंड दिस इज अ प्रोटीन आइडेंटिफिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन कंपोजिशंस. सो this is all the properties of protein identification and the protein visualization and application of bioinformatics. Everything we will see in this 5th unit. So this is total 40 hours lecture. So but for us it will be some more. We cannot go as per the number of lectures. Might be we have to increase the numbers or we have to decrease the number as per the, like second unit takes lots of lectures. We cannot complete in 7 lectures, 7 hours. So it will take lots of time. We will discuss one by one. Okay, apart from this we will discuss about some methods of bioinformatics which is very useful for the subjects. Okay, and if you are interested in any specific topic, you can post a comment on that this channel or in this video. We will discuss that also. We will go for the problem solving methods on sessions also, and we will also go for the some previous year question paper solutions. We will look for that as we will go through the syllabus. Okay, So this is just an introductory lecture. So from today onwards, I will start posting the videos as per your syllabus. So please, dear students, share this content or this channel with all among your classmates, and come and learn bioinformatics in this channel. Share, like, subscribe to this channel, and I need your support. Okay. Thank you very much.